Welcome to another episode of Career Discovery Hub. I'm your host, Hanumant Rao, founder of Career Discovery Hub, a career clarity coach and a parent career guide mentor. Today, I'm going to take you step by step through the entire process of studying abroad, from picking the right university to preparing for your journey. Whether you are a student curious about options or a parent supporting your child's dreams, this episode is for you. So let's get started. Step 1: Research programs and universities. The very first step is research. Think about what you want to study and where. Are you interested in the UK, the US, Canada, Australia, or maybe Germany? Each country offers different programs, culture, and opportunities. Browse university websites, check rankings, and read about courses that excite you. Make a list of options that match your goals and budget. Step 2: Check eligibility and requirements. Next, you will want to check if you meet the eligibility criteria. This mostly includes your academic qualifications, grades, and language skills. For example, many universities require English proficiency tests like IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, or maybe Duolingo. Also, prepare your documents carefully, like transcripts, recommendation letters, and certificates. Getting organized here will save you a lot of stress later. Step 3 is plan your finances. Now, let's talk about money. Studying abroad can be an investment, so it's important to budget carefully. Consider tuition fees, accommodation, travel, food, and insurance costs. But don't worry, there are scholarships and financial aid options available as well. Start looking for scholarships early and apply for as many as you can. Step 4 is application process. When you have shortlisted your universities and prepared your documents, it's time to apply. Most applications are online now. Make sure you complete every section accurately and write a strong statement of purpose. A personal letter explaining why you want to study that course and what your goals are. This is your chance to stand out. Step 5: Visa and documentation. Once you receive your admission offer, next step is securing your student visa. Each country has specific visa application processes and requirements. Carefully. You will likely need proof of admission, financial stability, and health insurance. Be mindful of deadlines and prepare your paperwork well in advance. Step 6: Preparing for departure. Finally, preparation for departure. Pack smartly, considering the climate and culture. Arrange health insurance, book your travel tickets, and understand the local laws and customs of your destination country. It's normal to feel nervous, but a little preparation goes a long way in making your experience comfortable and successful. So, to conclude, that's the step by step journey to study abroad. It may seem overwhelming, but remember, every big adventure starts with a simple step: doing your research. If you have any questions or need personalized guidance, feel free to reach out to Career Discovery Hub. Don't forget to subscribe to this podcast for more tips and stories. Thanks for listening and best of luck on your study abroad journey. Take care and God bless you.